Today, we are going to answer the question, what does to plan a route mean? The literal answer is to plan a route between two places. I need to plan my route to go from my home to my work every day that I have to work. That is planning a route. I might plan a bigger route that is less common where I want to go on vacation. So I might plan a route from my house to the airport. And from the airport, I'm going to fly to the coast. And from the coast, I'm going to get on a cruise ship. And then I'm going to go on a cruise for vacation. So that is the literal form to plan a route. Now, it's important to note there is a difference in pronunciation. It's either route or route. Both are correct. Go with whichever one feels more natural to you because it really doesn't matter which one you choose. To a native speaker, if you use the word route or route, they will understand you. They might ask where you're from if you pronounce it differently. But for the most part, it doesn't matter. So let's get into the figurative meaning to plan a route or to plan a route. How might you use that in a corporate setting? I've got it. Perhaps you work for a business that is having financial trouble. They are not making enough money. So they hold a meeting to talk about solutions for the financial struggle that's happening in the company. And someone might say, what is our route? How do we get ourselves out of this situation? To get out of is another phrasal verb, which means to find a route, to find a way out. What are the steps that we're going to take that will lead us to financial stability? That's it. That's all I have for plan a route. The meaning as it is used literally as to plan a trip and getting from point A to point B, and then also the figurative meaning to make a step-by-step plan that can solve a problem. Now I encourage you to plan your route to fluency in English. What are you going to do? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you to understand what it means to plan a route, please like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.